Are you looking for a bunkhouse travel trailer? Give me 3 minutes. Let's show you this Tracer 275 BH. What's going on, everybody? This is Corey, and welcome back to another RVing with Corey 3-minute walkthrough tour. Today, we're going to take a look at the 2026 Tracer 275 BH. As always, depending on which platform that you are on, pricing and specs will either be at the beginning of the video or down in the video description. Coming on to the inside, starting right off the bat here, we have double over double bunks, complete with the ladder. Really do like that. You can easily sleep 2 people on each one of those. Bathroom is right next to that. So you do have a 24 by 36 shower, floating shelf, plastic toilet, and some pretty dang good storage space right there, you know, for a bunkhouse bathroom. Traditional dinette area right here. You also have your jackknife sofa. That'll turn out into a bed if you do need it to. Flipping around, we'll come back to the entertainment center here in just a moment. Simple little kitchen. You do have your convection oven, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and the nice 1-basin sink with this beautiful big campsite window right there. Storage up top. 12-volt refrigerator for all of those cold storage things. And before we take a look at the storage behind the TV, you have your fireplace and a massive Jumbotron style TV there. Big old storage right here. I absolutely love this. They did such a good job with how they executed this entertainment center storage. There. All right. Technical difficulties. I do my own stunts. Anyway, king size bed up here. You also have your 15K second AC right here. Lots of storage around that. Second entry door. And you are going to have your washer dryer prep cabinet right there. Now, we're running a little bit long, but we will roll with it. Coming on to the outside, you do have your power stabilizer jacks. I always love to show off the Tracer drop frame storage. That is massive. But as we back up here, we have this new graphics package for 2026, complete with the gold tinted windows. Let me know your thoughts on that. Did they get it right? Is it ugly? I don't know. Let me know your feedback. Tankless water heater, nice big awning. You have some storage space back here under the bunks too. Square tubular bumper for your stinky slinky. Backup camera prep as well. This does have a solar package up on the roof too, which is a crowd favorite. But let me know, guys, did they nail it? Did they fail it? Love to hear your feedback in the comments. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.